Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education as we had completed chapter number 2. Now from today we are going to start the next chapter, that is chapter number 9, rational numbers. Now you will be thinking that why we had gone to chapter number 9, because chapter number 9 is the mixture of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. In chapter number 1 we studied about integers. In chapter number 2, we studied about fraction and decimal. But this rational number is the mixture of integers and fraction. Fraction or integer का mixture है, which is called rational numbers. A number that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q. तो P upon Q हम कब लिखते थे? In the form of fraction. वेयर P एंड Q आर इंटीजर्स. हमने फ्रैक्शन पढ़ा, उसमें कहीं पे भी इंटीजर्स रिलेटेड नहीं था. बट वेयर P एंड Q आर इंटीजर्स एंड Q इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0 इज कॉल्ड रैशनल नंबर. Number that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, means Q कभी भी 0 नहीं होगा. Q will be never be equal to 0 or it will be not 0 in the denominator. And P and Q are what? Integers. तो integers में हमने पढ़ा था positive integer also and negative integer also. So if I write 4 upon 7, you will be thinking it is a fraction. Yes, it is a fraction, but it is also an rational number. A number that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers. So in integers we studied about positive and negative integers. तो ये दोनों positive integer है. So it means that all the fractions whatever we write, that is also a rational numbers. All the integers, sorry, all the fractions which we write, they are also called rational numbers, because in rational number what all are coming? Integers is also coming and fraction is also coming. Integer में हमने पढ़ा था negative integer and positive integers both. So if I write minus 7 upon 11, so minus 7 upon 11 is also a rational number, okay, because minus 7 is an integer where 11 is also integer. This one is negative, here it is positive. But in rational numbers जब ये minus sign लगती है, it can be in the numerator or it can be in the denominator also, like 5 upon minus 8. So it doesn't make any difference, ये पूरा negative ही rational number count होगा. This will be also considered as a negative rational number because both of them are having minus sign with them, means negative integers are being there. That's why it will be called as negative rational numbers. And 4 upon 7 where there is no sign means it is plus, means it will be considered as a positive integers. तो rational numbers याद रखना है. Rational number is the mixture of integers and fraction. So we can say that all integers are also called rational numbers and all fractions are also called rational number, but all rational numbers cannot be called as a fraction. Why? Because fraction में हम negative signs use नहीं करते, वहाँ पे सिर्फ positive ही use होता है. Here we will be having positive as well as negative integers both. Now whatever we had studied in fraction chapters में जो भी पढ़ा है, everything will come. The first thing will be equivalent fraction जो हमने पढ़ा था वो यहाँ पे भी आएगा in rational numbers. Then addition, subtraction of fraction, multiplication of fraction, division of fraction, everything is common in this chapter. बस फर्क क्या रहेगा, वहाँ पे सब पॉजिटिव में थे, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स will be also there. Nothing else is being different from what it is. And one thing you have to keep it in mind, that when any number is being written, Like if I write 10, so 10 is also a rational number. Rational number में क्या होना चाहिए? It should be in the form of P upon Q. लेकिन मैंने आपको पहले भी समझाया that if I write any number, nothing is being there in the denominator, means it is having denominator as 1. Okay, so if we write only 10, then also it is a rational number, because rational number means where P and Q are integers. So 10 is also a positive integer, upon 1 is also an integer. So ऐसा नहीं कि खाली it should be in the form of P upon Q. P upon Q form में नहीं दिया है. If nothing in the denominator, means we have to place there 1, then it will become again a rational number. So as I told you regarding positive and negative integer, where both the numerator and denominator will be positive, they will be called as positive rational numbers. If any one of them is having negative sign, then it will be called as a negative rational numbers. So that was related to positive and negative rational numbers. Then rational numbers, comparison and everything we had already done in the chapter of fraction. So we'll directly move to the exercise, nothing more in it. Exercise 9.1. in that question number 1 is being given. Now see, we have to write down least 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. अब -1 और 0 के बीच में 5 rational numbers लिखना है. You will be thinking कि -1 और 0 के बीच में तो कोई भी रेशनल नंबर हो ही नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि 0 के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड विल बी -1 एंड -1 के राइट हैंड साइड विल बी 0 ऑन द नंबर लाइन. सो उन दोनों के बीच में 5 रेशनल नंबर्स कैसे हो सकता है? But just now here only I had explained that when an integer is being written alone, means it is also a rational number. Nothing is there in the denominator, means it will become 1. And we have to write down 5 rational numbers. तो हमेशा जितने भी रेशनल नंबर्स लिखने होते हैं उसमें 1 ऐड कर देना है. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट विल बिकम -1 upon 1 and it will become 0 upon 1. Now we have to write 5 rational numbers. So 5 plus 1 is what? 6. So we will multiply it by 6. So yeah, in the numerator also 6 and denominator also 6. So same thing here also. So now it will become what? 6 ones are 6, but as minus sign, so -6 upon 6, and here it will become 0 upon 6. अब ये दोनों के बीच में तो रैशनल नंबर्स आ सकते हैं ना. Understood? Which will be the rational numbers? It will be -5 upon 6, -4 upon 6, -3 upon 6, -2 upon 6 and -1 upon 6. क्योंकि 0 से 6 तक -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5 तो हो गए 5 rational numbers. So this is how you have to write the rational number when it is being given between 2 rational numbers. I hope so you are not having any doubt now. Second one, it's -2 and -1. Again the condition is same. Here it was -1 and 0, here it is -2 and -1. Now how again we can write 5 rational numbers? So we'll do the same process. 5 लिखने तो 5 plus 1 6. 6 से इन दोनों को multiply करना है. So nothing is being there, so it will be -2 upon 1. Here it will be -1 upon 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6, so we'll multiply it by 6. So here also by 6. Now it is -6 2s is 12, so -12 upon 6, and here it will be -6 upon 6. Now we have to write 5, so we can write any 5. 6 और 12 के बीच में we have to write down 5 rational numbers. So we'll start in the reverse order. It will be -11 upon 6, -10 upon 6, -9 upon 6, -8 upon 6, and minus 7 upon 6. So these are the 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and 1. Whenever such type of questions is being asked, यहाँ पे तो 5 है, अगर 6 पूछा है तो 6 plus 1 7, so we'll multiply it by 7 and then we'll find out the rational numbers between that two rational numbers. Now third one is minus 4 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3. So here already we are having numerator denominator and here we were not having, so we had made it. यहाँ पे already है, so what we used to do it in fraction, the same thing, we'll find out the LCM as both are prime numbers, so the LCM will be 15. So minus 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3. So 5 3s is 15, so here also by 3, here by 5, so here by 5. Now student don't get confused कि सर यहाँ पे 3 लिखा, यहाँ पे 5 और यहाँ पे तो दोनों में same लिखा था, because here the denominators were same 1. That's why we had taken 5 plus 1 6 and then we had multiplied and find out the answer over here. But here we are having denominator and both are different, that's why we had found the LCM and now we will make it as a like. So 4 3s is 12, so minus 12 upon 15 and here it will be 5 2s is 10, so minus 10 upon 15. By finding out the LCM we got this answer. 5 3s is 15, 4 3s is 12, 5 3s are 15 and 2 5s is 10. Now the next thing what we have to do it is, now again the condition is same like what we were facing here. Okay, यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा था, that's why we had multiplied by 6. So here also it is not possible because minus 10 और minus 12 के बीच में एक ही rational number आएगा, that will be minus 11 upon 15. But we want 5 rational numbers, so again the same formula, 5 plus 1 6, so both will be multiplied by 6. So now 12 6 is 72, so minus 72, 15 6 is 90. And here it will be minus 60 upon 90. So now between these two we can write down 5. So what it will be, minus 71 upon 90, minus 70 upon 90, minus 69 upon 90, minus 68 upon 90 and minus 67 upon 90. So this will be the 5 rational numbers which will be written between these two. Okay, so I hope so you had understood. पहले like denominators बनाने के लिए we had found the LCM. So as both are prime, so 5 3s is 15. So 5 3s are 15. Here 3 5s are. So we got the answer as minus 12 upon 15 and minus 10 upon 15. But we cannot write 5 rational numbers between these two. Rational number एक ही आएगा, that will be minus 11 upon 15, but we want 5. That's why as we had done here, the same thing we had done here also. 5 plus 1 6, so minus 12 is multiplied by 6 in the numerator and denominator both by 6. Here also numerator and denominator by 6, so we got minus 72 upon 90 and minus 60 upon 90. So between that we have to write 5 rational numbers. So you can write any 5. We are having many, 11 है, उसमें से आप कोई भी 5 लिख सकते हैं. It is not necessary that it should be this only. If you want to write from 70, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, इन दोनों के बीच में 5 rational numbers हमको लिखने, मीन्स ये दोनों उसमें नहीं आएंगे. So you can write till 61 and you can start writing from 71 or 61 तक आप कोई भी 5 rational numbers you can write down. So total 4 questions were there in this, but I had done 3, so remaining you have to do it by, means only one sum is there which you have to do it by yourself. Now question number 2 is being there. In that first one it is minus 3 upon 5, minus 6 upon 10, minus 9 upon 15, and minus 12 upon 20. So after this, 4 rational numbers we have to write down in the same pattern. So see, here it is 3 2s are 5 2s are, 3 3s are 5 3s are, 3 4s are 5 4s are. So next 4 will be, it is 3 4s are, so here it will be 3 5s are 15, and 5 5s are will be 25. Here it will be minus 18, here it will be 30, then minus 21, here it will be 35, minus 24, and here it will be 40. So these are the next 4 rational numbers in the same pattern. Now second one, minus 1 upon 4, then minus 2 upon 8, and minus 3 upon 12. Now again here also we have to follow the same. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are is 8, 1 3s are is 3, 4 3s are is 12. So 4 we have to write. So minus 4 upon 16, minus 5 upon 20, minus 6 upon 24, and minus 7 upon 28. So this will be the next 4 rational numbers in the same pattern. So like that you have to do the remaining 2 sums by yourself of question number 2. Now question number 3, if you see in question number 3 it is being given that give 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 2 upon 7. So इसके equivalent 4 rational numbers we have to write, means when we cut the rational number, the final answer which should come, that should be minus 2 upon 7. तो अगर आपको easy way में करना है, so you can write it in the same manner, or if you want to write in another way, बड़े numbers भी लेना है, then also it's upon you. It's 2 2s are 4, so minus 4 upon 7 2s are 14, then minus 2 3s are is 6, 7 3s are is 21, then 2 4s are is 8, 7 4s are is 28, and 5 2s are is 10, so 7 5s are is 35. So when you will cancel it, the answer will come minus 2 upon 7. So these are called equivalent rational numbers. Second one is 5 upon minus 3. मैंने क्या बोला था, नीचे नेगेटिव साइन हो या ऊपर नेगेटिव साइन हो या नीचे हो, that whole rational number will be considered as negative only. तो यहाँ पे नीचे माइनस है, यहाँ पे ऊपर था तो ऊपर माइनस साइन लग रही थी, यहाँ पे नीचे था तो we'll put down side. So again the same thing, 5 2s are is 10, 3 2s are is 6, 5 3s are is 15, so 3 3s are is 9, 5 4s are is 20, 3 4s are is 12, and 5 5s are is 25, and 3 5s are is 15. So these are the next 4 rational numbers, means equivalent rational numbers. जब उसको कट करोगे तो आंसर you will get 5 upon minus 3, because 2 5s are 2 3s are, then 3 5s are 3 3s are, 4 5s are 4 3s are, 5 5s are and 5 3s are. So anyway the answer will come 5 upon minus 3. So this was your question number 3. Here also one sum you have to do it by yourself. Now in today's video just this much only. In the next video we'll continue with the exercise. So till then, thank you and take care.